How to lock your Instagram profile picture from being expanded. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off profile picture expansion. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Scroll down to Account Privacy under the section for who can see your content, and tap it. Now, look for Allow Profile Picture Expansion. Turn off the toggle next to this option. This prevents people from expanding your profile picture to view a larger version. Once you've turned it off, go back to your profile and test it from another account if possible. Your profile picture should now remain at its normal size, instead of expanding when someone taps on it. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Instagram profile picture or allow public photos and videos. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful Instagram tutorials.